Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to get the user profile set up for the Efixii app and get yourself KYC'd. Download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Open. Allow for notifications. And we're going to sign up. So create a password with uppercase, lowercase, some symbols. Sign up. Okay, that's your sign-in key. You can take a copy of those for your own reference. Hit start. And you want to hit OK for this because you need to enable Face ID to have the Efixii app work. Hit sign in. And you can skip this step as you are using Face ID. You don't need to do the two-factor authentication. So it pops up here on the category screen. In the top right hand of your screen is the settings icon. Tap that to start your KYC process. And then KYC pops up. Click that. Allow while using the app or whatever your preference might be. First you have to do is take a selfie. And use photo. Here you're going to check. This was under KYC role. Select that where it says Efixii retailer and then pick which one you're going to be. At the bottom there, are you MTRI agency? Are you a retailer? Are you a cultivator? For this, I'm just going to pick cultivator. Nationality, I am Canadian. I'll start to type it in and we'll come up here. Select only from the drop down. Don't try to type in your own country. Don't need that. Susan, date of birth, we'll just leave that. Add that. Add your email address. I'll add our support line, but for everyone else, add your own email and your correct cell phone number that you are signing up on. Then you can go and select next. Go Vancouver. Again, add Canada. And click done. Then you just want to make sure everything's correct, looks good. Okay, for this next step, you're going to need your government issued photo ID, and then you will record a short video. So on the top right, hit next again. Select take a photo. Close-up picture of your ID. Then select take a video.
Please state the number and color shown on the screen.
Yellow 2.
Please
Tilt your ID next to your head. Hit the green arrow. Then hit next on the top right. Check that all your information you entered is correct. Okay, and now you've done the video and taken a picture of your photo ID. You're just going to double check again that all the information you added is correct. All looks good. Hit next. Now you're going to get a PIN texted to you. And there you go. You can just select that. It should come up. Sign in and upload. And you can hit upload for that. Now a KYC request is going to Efixii for approval. You can now, okay, success, it's been sent. You can view the submitted documents, save the documents, copy, visit our website. So you can hit continue. And then you're back there. And then once you get approved, your KYC gets approved, it can take up to 24 hours. Your front screen here under categories will change to whatever role you decided or whatever role you picked. And that will be it. And then you can start testing.